So guys, today I'm at Delaware Chicken Farm and Seafood Market. That door there is where the seafood and the chicken section is, and this section here is where they have the market. So I'm just gonna run through really quickly and for you guys to see what they have, because they have some really nice things here. All of these things that you're seeing, they're organic. They only sell organic items. And they have a wide range of honey. They have organic pasta. In the back here they have all their grains and different types of flour. And that's it for the market section. So I'm going to go into the meat section next.
Oh, I don't know. Yes, but I have to call it.
Okay? Yeah.
Esas son todas aplicaciones que puedes conseguir en el teléfono, pero depende del website, ahí consigues. No hay, depende del proceso.
How much are the lobster tails?
What? $32.99 on one hour.
Yeah, one piece of tail.
Here you go. How about a beautiful piece of flour like that?
That's good.
That would be perfect.
Yeah, want me to cut it in two pieces?
Yes, please.
Please.
I'm the only one who eats it.
That's one of my favorite fish. It's excellent.
These escargots are already in garlic butter, so they're already prepared for you. Even the smaller amounts are in garlic butter. Ooh, and they have langostino. Ooh, yummy. Ooh. I think I'm gonna get one of these langostino. It's a breed between a lobster and a shrimp, and it's so delicious.
All right, that should do, huh?
What's your name?
Natasha?
Natasha?
Yeah.
I have these up on the shelf.
So guys, I'm gonna get the duck breast, and you can get the duck breast here at Delaware Chicken and Farm. They're really, really good. Thank you so much.
How many did you need?